You are watching SBR News 1.
जी आज कर्नाटक में असेंबली का सेशन चल रहा है और असेंबली में बिल को पेश किया गया। बिल को पेश करने से पहले भी कर्नाटक में बड़ी पैमाने पर इसकी मुखालिफत हुई थी। हर धर्म के खासकर ये माइनॉरिटीज़ जितने लोग भी हैं उन्होंने इसका विरोध किया है। उसके बावजूद असेंबली में ये बिल कल पेश किया गया। आज जो डिस्कशन हो रहा है उसी मौके पर नियर 65 ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जिसमें जमात इस्लामी हिंद कर्नाटका भी शामिल है, उस बिल की हम मुखालिफत कर रहे हैं। उसी के लिए आज एक प्रोग्राम यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है। अब आप बताइए कि दस्तूर हिंद के खिलाफ है, हर आदमी कह रहा है। हम ही नहीं, जो कानून के एक्सपर्ट हैं, जो संविधान के एक्सपर्ट हैं, वो लोग इसका विरोध कर रहे हैं और वो ये कह रहे हैं कि ये बुनियादी हक है इंसान का, किसी भी मज़हब को कबूल करना न करना और अपने मज़हब की तबलीग करना और अमन पुरअमन तरीके से अपने मज़हब की बात को दूसरों को समझाना, ये बुनियादी हक है इंसान का। कानून मौजूद है, कर्नाटक के अंदर भी मौजूद है कि फोर्सेबल अगर कोई मज़हब कबूल करता है तो उसका विरोध तो सभी कर रहे हैं। किसने नहीं कहा है बताइए आप? अभी चंद दिन पहले बाकायदा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ही लोगों को लाया गया, वहाँ कहा गया है पहले से कानून है ना इसके लिए कि फोर्सेबल अगर कोई आदमी किसी धर्म की प्रचार करता है, धर्म परिवर्तन की बात करता है तो वो तो खिलाफ है। कानून मौजूद है, पुलिस मौजूद है, लोग मौजूद हैं, वो करें इस तरह से। वो रहते हुए एक अलग से कानून ला करके इस तरह से दबा देना किसी भी सेक्शन को या किसी भी पार्ट को, किसी भी मजहब को, ये तो गलत बात होगी। इसलिए हम उसकी
We have said, first of all, give us the proof of forcible conversions, and secondly, even if there are some forcible conversions and also inducements, there are enough laws in the country. There are 11 sections in the police code under which you can take action. You need not have another law in order to control the Christians' conversions, etc., which is humiliating us, because we know that perhaps there are few conversions that are taking place. We need not make so much fuss about it. There are enough laws in the country. There are enough regulations which can control them. And secondly, what we say is this particular law will criminalize conversions. It will criminalize also the privacy of the people, because the one who is getting converted has to give all the details, their parents, their children, their this one, and lot of forms. 6 months period is going to take place. It is going to criminalize your choice of marriage. It's criminalizing also the women's choices. The Dalit, of course, will suffer also, because we will be questioned for any help that is given to the Dalit and the poor people. So that is why we are against this law. And as you have seen from this gathering, they have told us henceforward it's not only the Christians who will be affected, it is affecting the others also. So we will take it forward, and we have just joined not the protest, as we have joined the rally today. We are not many in number. Any person who is trying to rule the country as per the preference of religion, the one who tries to overtake the constitution, does not obey the constitution, it's not a good sign. I don't want to say which party or which this one. I say men of all goodwill should know that this is a free country.
Do you believe that this kind of act bringing is a direct attack on the Article 25 of the Constitution of India?
Yes, I would say yes, because if they want to, they say that the article has to be strengthened and clarified, etc. For that you don't need another law. They can always talk to us, they can always ask us. And you see from the provisions of the law, it is so stringent, it is so...
Up to 10 years imprisonment.
10 months imprisonment, 5 lakhs. And then how many forms you have to fill? You have to fill the form before conversion and after conversion also. The government has to inform everybody who is converted, who is not converted. And one who is getting married has to give all the details. There is no privacy at all. And I think I'm happy that the other groups and the other human rights people have taken it into their action, and they have told us, you have tried your best. We thought it is only affecting the Christians, but now we realize from the contents of the law that it is affecting Christians but more affecting others all.